Good morning, I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we are unboxing the Robooter X40 folding power wheelchair, so stay tuned. So to unbox the Robooter X40 power wheelchair, I'm going to start with talking about the packaging. There might be some plastic straps around it that you would cut off with a knife. There isn't on this one. This was a demo unit sent to us, but there might be straps around it. It might be on a pallet, it might not, but this is what the box looks like. If there is straps, you would cut them. Cut upwards, do not cut downwards into the box. But this X40 right here, I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off. And right here we have our accessories. So there's a little bit of foam, little foam insert. I'm going to pop that out. And here is part of our charger. Here's the rest of our charger. We've got our owner's manual and a little toolkit right here. I'm going to set that to the side. Once you have the accessories cleared out of the box, we're going to lift up this foam right here. And now we have access to the power chair from here. So in order to take this unit out, they recommend 2 people. It is about a 70 to 80 pound unit. So the easiest way is to have a second person. So 1 person up front, 1 in the back, and we're just going to lift and then set it to the side. Thank you. And then from here, I'm going to take a moment to clean up any of the packing material, and then we will get to the assembly of the power chair. Now that all the packing material is out of the way, I'm going to unfold the unit. This unit actually comes already assembled. You don't have to do anything to assemble it, and the battery is already installed in as well. So all you have to do to unfold it is turn the power on. You have to hold the power button for a few seconds. It will turn on. Then you'll see the lights come on the back of the chair. It'll make some noise. In order to unfold it, you're going to hold down the horn button and the plus button at the same time for 3 seconds.
Start expanding.
And the chair will automatically unfold. And in this position, the arms do flip up out of the way. If you transfer from the side or from the front, this foot plate can fold down or fold up. If you transfer from the front, you would fold it up to go in this way. But both arms do flip up. From here, you can drive the chair. There is a lock button. You want to make sure that there's a lock button with like a little green light. If the green light is on, the chair is locked and will not drive. You have to push that to unlock it. And the chair will probably say unlock. And now it can drive. In order to fold the chair again, you're going to hold down the horn button and the minus button.
Start folding.
And it will begin to fold down. And it takes maybe 5-7 seconds. Once it is done, keep in mind, do not touch the joystick while it's folded down. The chair will still drive. I don't want it running away from you, just as a heads up. So I'm going to go ahead and unfold it again, and I will talk about the battery. So here's your battery right up front of the chair. In order to remove the battery, it's pretty easy. All you do is push this yellow tab outward, and then you can lift up the battery. This battery does have a charging port right here. So if you want to take the battery out and charge the unit, or charge the battery off the unit, say leave the unit in your vehicle and then bring this inside to charge it instead of unloading the whole thing, you can do that. The normal charging port is located underneath the joystick. To put it back in, you just drop it in and lock it again. Pretty simple. So if you ever need to push the unit, let's say the battery dies and you need to manually push it, there are brakes underneath. This unit is equipped with electromagnetic brakes. That means if you try to push the chair, it's not going to roll, but if you need to push it and put it into freewheel, there is 2 red levers. You're going to push both of those down, and now I can freewheel the chair. You want to make sure the power is off when you do this, because with the power on, you can freewheel it, but it adds a lot of extra resistance. With the power off, it rolls very easily. Now you cannot drive the chair while it's in freewheel. It'll throw up an error code on your screen because the brakes have been disengaged. So if that happens, just check these levers, make sure both of them are up. Turn your power off and back on, and then you should be able to drive the unit. There we go, we got the power back on.
Unlock.
And it seems to lock itself every time you turn it on, so make sure you unlock the chair.
Reversing.
There we go. And then to turn the unit off, you would hold down the power button for about 3 seconds. If you push it, that'll just lock it again.
Lock. Unlock.
So you have to hold it down for about 3 seconds, then it will power down. Once again, this has been the unboxing of the Robooter X40 folding power chair. If you like this chair, or if you like this video, or you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.